In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an IP proxy in Firefox step by step, so you can route your browser traffic through a proxy quickly and correctly. This is useful if you're managing network settings, testing locations, or simply need to configure Firefox for a specific proxy service. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu icon. This is the button with the 3 horizontal lines, and it opens the main Firefox menu, where you can access all of your browser settings. From here, click on Settings. This will take you into Firefox's configuration area, where you can change privacy, security, and connection options. Inside Settings, click on Privacy and Security. This section contains a lot of important browser controls, so take your time and scroll carefully. Keep scrolling down until you find the Connection and Software Security section. Depending on your Firefox version and layout, this may appear a little lower on the page, so don't worry if you have to scroll a bit before you see it. Once you find that section, click Advanced Settings. This will open the Network Configuration area, where Firefox lets you control how it connects to the internet. Now scroll down until you see the Proxy section. This is where the browser's proxy routing options are located. Next, click Configure Proxy. A new window will open, and here you'll be able to choose how Firefox connects through a proxy server. Select the radio button for manual proxy configuration. This tells Firefox that you want to enter the proxy details yourself instead of using automatic settings. Now you'll need to enter the proxy information provided by your network administrator or your proxy service. If you're using an HTTP or HTTPS proxy, type the IP address into the HTTP proxy field, then enter the matching port number in the port field, such as 8080 if that's the value your provider gave you. Make sure you enter the details exactly as provided, because even one wrong digit can prevent the proxy from working properly. If your proxy should also apply to secure browsing, check the box for Also use this proxy for HTTPS if applicable. That way, Firefox will use the same proxy settings for both HTTPS traffic. If your provider uses a SOC, KS4 or SOC KS5 proxy instead, you can use the RCOS host field rather than the HTTP proxy field. Just enter the IP address and the correct port for the SOCS proxy type your provider supports. Take a moment to review everything before saving. Double-check the IP address, port number, and proxy type so you know the configuration is accurate. Once everything looks correct, click OK to save the changes. Firefox will now use the proxy settings you entered. At this point, your IP proxy in Firefox is set up and ready to go. You can now test your connection by visiting a website or checking whether your browser traffic is routing through the correct proxy. If something doesn't work, go back and verify the proxy IP port and whether you selected the right option for HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCS. If this video helped you, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials that make browser settings and software tools easy to understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.